Hi guys, today we will talk about how to find authorizations on your WeChat app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your WeChat app. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on me, then it's going to take you to next window here, and you just click here on settings. Then you come to settings window here in this window, then you just click here on my information authorizations. Then you come to this window here, you click here on authorizations, then you come to this window, and here you have so if you have your authorization for any apps, you will find it here in this window. I don't have any authorizations for any apps, so that's all. I wish know you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video about all WeChat apps. So just follow these ways and it's going to work with you.